Today I am going to uh, repair this laptop. The problem with this laptop is it's making a lot of sound. The fan is making a lot of sound, so I am trying to take the cover off and replace it with a new fan. I'll just show you what my problem actually is. When I switch on the laptop, hope you can hear, the laptop is making this sound. Okay, it's really making really good noise, so I'm going to replace it with a fan that I bought from Flipkart. This is the fan that I am going to replace it with. Okay, now let's disassemble this laptop. Now I am going to disassemble this laptop. For this you need a screwdriver set like this, so that you can take out all these screws. Okay, now I am going to take out all the screws. You need to take out the battery. Now let's take off the body, the laptop. As you can see, this is attached with some groove here. As you can see, make sure that it's not broken, so use a screwdriver or something like that to take it off. This is the interior of the laptop. We need to take out this fan. So this fan is held by two screws. For that we need to take out this screw. Screwdriver. now it's attached to this. We need to be really careful when we take this off because it's really delicate. Just give support at the edge. Okay, so we took it. We are going to replace it with this new fan. Before that, if there is dirt in this sink, please clean it because it can lead to overheating problem. So if there is dirt, if you find dirt in this sink, clean that. Okay, and I'll now clean and resume with the video once I'm done. Now it's inserted. Now we have to screw it with the rest of the two screws. So that's it. We have successfully installed the new fan. So before closing everything, we'll have to just check it that everything is working fine. For that we need to connect the battery. So I'll connect the battery and see if we are hearing that old fan sound again. I have the battery with me now. I am not screwing the rest of the thing, just plugging it to the power source and to see everything is working properly to save time. As you can hear, the fan is not making any sound now.
So you might be wondering how to find the actual spare part for the HP laptop, right? So it's just simple. If you know the laptop model number, just paste it here. And for example, my laptop model number is 15BG001ax, and just type in manual. So it will take you to a page where you can download the manual for the HP laptop. Okay, for example, you can go to this page to download the manual. So once it's downloaded, this is how you download the manual for this laptop. Okay, I'm just showing you from where you can actually get this manual from. You can download this one. Okay, once it's downloaded, it will look like this. I am going to open it. So the manual will look like this. Okay, here everything is mentioned in detail about your laptop. So what we need now is to look for, since we are replacing fan for this example, we need to type in fan and see where fan is mentioned, okay, in this PDF. As you can see here, you can see description, fan, model number is, you can see the spare part number 8139460001. You need to search for this online. So we need to copy this spare number. Just copy and search online. Like this. Fan HP. So here are the list where you can get the original fan number. Always look for the spare part number. Okay, that's the main key here. The spare part number. Always look for the other way is go to Amazon, copy paste the spare part number there. You can also find product there. If you cannot find, go to Flipkart and paste this spare part number. So those are the two ways that to get the actual product that will work fine with your laptop.
As you can hear, there is no sound in my laptop now, and I fixed the laptop. If you like to purchase the fan, if you are using the same laptop as me, you can find that in the description below. If else, please follow the manual trick that I showed you on this video. If it helped you in any way, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like the video. And if you have any comments, please put that below. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Hope it helped you save some money. Have a great day.